Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. Looking for the perfect getaway home? Look no further. This beautiful three-family house is located in the tranquil community of Three Hills. Three Hills is situated just outside of Tower Isle and is in close proximity to Sandals Golf Club, Chuck Adventures, White River Rafting, Reggae Beach, Erie River and many more attractions. This house is a potential income earner, as it boasts a self-contained 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms on the ground floor, in addition to a self-contained studio, and a self-contained 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom on the upper level. Are you a lover of nature? Well, this property boasts a wide variety of fruit trees including guava, pear, lychee, cherry, ackee, persimmon, pomegranate, just to name a few. This is your ideal getaway home. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $285,000, or Jamaican $43.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.